What's up, TikTok? I'm going to take you guys through a visual inspection process. So this customer's here for brakes. I noticed there was no oil sticker in the car. The left rear tire said it had 1.5 psi worth of pressure in it. The brakes are grinding and the maintenance wrench symbol was on. And then let me just take you through it. This tire here didn't go bald overnight. Neither did this one. Okay, so he's got alignment problem and aggressive driving. This tire back here shows alignment issues with lack of rotation. It's choppy. And then this tire has a bald edge and it's got a tear in the treads. You see it's dry rotted and cracked right there. And then this is what happened as it starts to self-destruct. This is all just neglecting your car. And on top of, there's no engine oil on the stick, and the stick was baked in crusty burnt oil residue on it. Yeah, so either this guy never takes it in for service, and thank God that he brought it in today because his brakes were grinding, because if he would have just kept driving this and an experienced guy like myself didn't look the car over, he would have left here and thought that his car was all maintenance up because he got his brakes fixed, not realizing his tires were ready to blow out, his engine's ready to blow up from lack of oil and sooner oil change intervals. So it pays to have an experienced guy keep an eye on your car. I mean, this is a huge investment. Huge investment. Thanks for watching. Come check us out.